What is up, people? Today we are looking at a fresh pair of Jordan 1s. And I've got to say, I don't know if I'm feeling that the vibe and the sentiment is that Jordan 1s are just losing that hype, just losing that edge. I don't know if people are just getting to the point where they're a bit like Jordan 1s, meh. With that being said and putting that to the side, let's take a look at these fresh pair of Jordan 1s in the bleached coral, more well known as the Stage Haze colorway. Let's get into it. What is up, people? It is your boy, it's your dog, it's your brother from another mother, aka the lifestyle surgeon, aka Dr. Lateral, aka Wayne. Coming today again with a fresh pair of Jordan 1s for you guys to take a look at. So let me know in the comment section what you think of these. And also, if you haven't done it already, why not drop your boy a like, show me some love and help me to continue to grow. And whilst you're there, why not just move across the subscribe button and click that so you don't miss future videos. Today we're looking at a fresh pair of Jordan 1s in the bleached coral, aka Stage Haze colorway. Let's get into it. As you know, we like to do a crep check. We like to look at the box. It's part of the experience. But before we get into the box, let's talk about a few key details. So this released in the UK very recently for the recommended retail price of £155. And I believe to you guys in the US, that's around about $170. Let's get into it. So looking at this Jordan 1 box, if you've seen them before, it's no different. It has the Nike logo, it's black, it's basically on every panel of the box and has the various details at the bottom about their logos and their trademarks. Nothing too different, so I'm not going to waste time. If we look at the tag reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG White Bleach Coral Black. And it's my size, UK 11, US 12. If you feel like sending me a free pair of sneakers, you're welcome to do so. But there you go, so you guys can see the label. With that being said, without further delay, let's unbox this bad boy. When we pop the hood, we are greeted by what I expect, usual from typical Jordan 1s, just their usual typical wrapping paper. And when we pull that back, we reveal, if I can get out of the box, we have the Jordan 1s in the bleached coral, aka Stage Haze colorway. Let me know in the comment section, gang, what you think. Let me know, are these drippy or are they in fact skippy? Let me know what you think. So what are my first impressions? My first impressions are this sneaker boasts a very nice palette of colors. Black, white, gray go together very, very well. A funny thing that strikes me with this sneaker though is they put in the name bleached coral when really it's only really accents of the bleached coral. Their bleached coral, they deem this kind of pink color, and I guess they're giving you a pink set of laces. You just have the accents in the Nike, and then really the insole is bleached coral. So I'm surprised that dominates the name of the sneaker, and I can understand why people tend to call this Stage Haze. Okay, so let's get into this review proper. So when we start at the outsole is very much typical of what you would expect from a Jordan 1 high. The color is gray. The gray, like I said, matches and accents the rest of the sneaker quite beautifully. We hit the midsole. The midsole is a nice crisp white, which again blends well with the gray, but gives enough of a distinction to also make it pop. which is nice. Then we come to the upper of this sneaker, and this is where things get a bit interesting. If we start the main body is made of white leather, as you can see there, which does feel pretty nice and pretty good quality. We come to the night tick and to the black accents of this sneaker. It's interesting. I've got to say, it's cracked leather, if you can see. Now, it gives the sneaker extra texture, extra depth and detail, but I'm a bit undecided whether it's needed. A nice, clean black leather would have just done this sneaker better against the crisp, sharp colors of the white and the gray. 50-50 of the cracked leather. And as we progress up the sneaker, we hit what we're accustomed to on the lateral aspect, the Jordan 1 sign embossed in black on the backdrop of the white leather, which is almost like a tumbled leather. It's not like full on tumbled, but it's not smooth. So we're kind of in the middle between those two. And behind it, again, is that kind of deep, strong, cracked black leather, which does look nice against the white and black. They work very well as colors. We know this, black and white always look good together. It's very hard to get that color palette wrong. Then when we come around to the posterior aspect, we have this lovely gray. It's a nice suede, actually. It feels very, very soft. It's very rough looking, and I think that's in keeping with the sneaker. It's a rough looking, kind of robust, kind of rugged suede, which gives this sneaker, like I said, character. I guess I can see what they're going for. A black, white and grey sneaker can very easily, although pop against each other with the colours, it can very easily be a bit like, seen it before. So I feel like they've gone for trying to make this sneaker a little bit different by giving the materials texture, which I see where they're going. I guess when we come round to the anterior aspect of the sneaker, you will notice we have the grey outsole, white midsole and the black cracked leather toe tip. We come into the white toe box with the perforations we expect to know from a Jordan 1, and then we come to the black tongue, as you can see, with lots of cushionings. You know it from a Jordan 1. They're very, very comfy. As we progress up, we hit the Nike Air sign, like I said, which is the small accents of the bleached coral that they mention in the colorway of the sneaker. And then inside the sneaker, we have the bleached coral insole. As you can see, the shoelace inlets are, again, predominantly, well, the inferior ones especially, are made of that cracked black leather that I mentioned, that kind of has like a chalky chalkboard, old school chalkboard look and feel to it. The superior inlets are made of that white leather that, like I said, is a little bit tumbled, not full tumbled. Then we come around to the medial aspect of the sneaker, and the medial aspect of the sneaker is very, very similar to the lateral. We're just missing the Jordan embossed sign that we're used to up here, which you can see beautifully presented there. So I'm not going to labor it. What are my final thoughts on these sneakers? The colors are strong. You can't go wrong with black, white and gray. The fact is, the materials of this sneaker also do feel really, really good and premium. The things that kind of raise question marks in my mind are the fact that the black leather is cracked, and also the accents of bleached coral / pink are really, really mild. Now, don't get me wrong, putting in the pink pair of laces may change the game on this sneaker. Final thoughts though, I still really do like these sneakers, if I'm honest with you. I like the fact that it has some character. It's a bit different. They've gone for textures as well as colors that they know work. I think these are nice. I think these will still drop very, very easily. The different color of laces they've given you gives you the ability to change the whole backdrop of this sneaker or dye it down with just black. So all in all, a really nice pair of sneakers. Let me know what you guys think of this sneaker. Like I said, in the comment section, will you be copying these? Will you be missing on these and going on to the next Jordan 1? Also, do your boy a solid, because if you enjoyed this video, drop me a like. Them likes help me. And in addition, whilst you're there, why not just slide across to subscribe so you don't miss future Crep Check content. People, it has been a wave. Thank you for stopping by. I'm sending you that love. Peace.